Hello Stampers, this is Julia Fair in Fair's Craft Lair, and I am coming to you today with another YouTube Tuesday video. We are going to be making this card with the Flowering Desert stamp set, and there are two different purchasing options for this Flowering Desert stamp set, and I just wanted to make sure that you're aware of that. So you can purchase the stamp set on its own if you have a lot of supplies, but if you're somebody's new or you're looking to get coordinating materials, they actually show you in the catalog some different projects that you can make, and what they have designed is Stampin' Up! Has designed like a mini product suite that allows you to be able to purchase the materials to make what they're showing you in the catalog. So I am working with that today, and it's you can find them online. Anything that you look up that says you can make it will be a product, kind of like a mini product suite that they have examples for already, which is really cool. And this one, it doesn't have any punches or anything with it. It comes with, if you get the whole you can make it collection, you get 4 inks, full-size ink pads, and you get the Tea Room cardstock pack, which has 8 sheets of each of this. This is Coastal Cabana, Calypso Coral, and then Very Vanilla Thick, which is great. And then you get the stamp set and a large block, which is block E. So you should be able to start stamping right away. The only things that it doesn't include is adhesive and a paper trimmer. So those are things, if you're starting out right away, make sure you talk to your demonstrator, or if you're looking for a demonstrator, talk to me. I'd be very happy to help you with that, but I wanted to show you how to make a card today. I also wanted to tell everybody that I am doing an online exclusive class that you can sign up for, and it's going to be with The Beauty Abounds. So things that you would need at your home are the stamp set with some blocks and some ink. But what I would send you in the mail is the kit for 6 cards, and there's 3 designs. So there's 2 of each design that would come in the mail to you. And if you do an order of $35 or more, I'll send it in the mail to you for free, the card kit. And there will be a YouTube video that you'll be able to look at and stamp along with me. And I would love to be able to do that with you. And I just wanted to show you guys, this is a bundle that's available right now, and I absolutely love this. So these 2 butterflies can be cut out with the dies here. Of course you need a big shot for this, but these 2 bigger dies layer together. You could use them individually, but then you can also layer them together to make different colors, which is great. There's a couple flourishes. There's also some butterflies that are, there's a lot of these that are doubled. Those are exactly the same. All of these are exactly the same. You get 10 of these little guys, which is great. And I believe if you layer these, you're actually going to get some layered effects as well with these guys and then these guys, because they're the same size as each other. So I can't wait to show you the designs for that class, but you have to sign up by February 28th in order for to be able to get it, and I will be doing all the cutting and everything thereafter. So I really hope that you'll sign up and stamp with me and have some fun. So let's get on to our card for today. We're going to use Coastal Cabana as the base, and we're going to be stamping on the Very Vanilla. I've already set all this up to make it a little easier for today, so I'm going to set my things aside and get ready to stamp. I'm sticking with the collection, the You Can Make It collection, because I want to make sure that you guys have cards that you can make using that, okay? Ooh, also, I wanted to show you this. Okay. These are distinctive stamps, and distinctive stamps can sometimes get a little too juicy. So I'm just taking a palette knife. You could also take your bone folder. I have a palette knife from something else. Stampin' Up! Also offers them to work with the embossing pastes that we have, which is great. And all I'm doing is pushing this ink down into the ink pad. I'm just scraping across, and it's getting a little bit lighter. I don't know if you can see that, but it's going to make it a little bit easier to work with. And I will clean that off with a baby wipe in a little bit, but all I'm going to do. And that's with the new ones. You can do it with the old ones if they're super juicy too. But that really helps to make it easier to get a clean image. And all I have to do is hold it down and I'm tap, tap, tap. And I'm stacking 2 of these larger oval cactuses on top of each other, cacti pieces. And then I'm going to go back with the smaller one, little oval guy. The distinctive stamps allow you to have more shading, which is great. So you're not going to get a perfectly clean image with these. And I just want to make sure that you guys know that, because everybody kind of goes, oh, it looks like there's something wrong. No, it's meant to be that way. It's supposed to have this watercolor effect, which is really cool. You get all this shading, and a lot of our other stamps, it really helps to be able to have some shading in there. And this is just the Berry Burst. And my Berry Burst, I think, is drying out. But I like the lightness of it, so I've been kind of just dealing with it. Excuse me. So that's just the little flower. And then, gotta make sure I get it the right way. You're so awesome. I'm just gonna center that in the bottom. And our main panel is done being stamped. Yay. And then I just have these. These are just little cacti thorns. I could put them all over things, but I don't really care to. But I love it as a background. So I'm going to put it on the bottom edge of this piece, and then we'll go up the side as well. There we go. That's all I need. And now I can just adhere these together. Let's get the ink out of the way. And all I have to do, using some snail, this one's gonna sit in the bottom left corner. And I didn't go crazy stamping all over the rest of it because I'm going to cover this up. So you're not even going to see that. And this will sit in the top right corner. And that's it for today. That's our quick and easy card. Pretty simple to do, huh? All right, so the Flowering Desert is a great stamp set to be able to use for lots of different occasions, and it's great for everyday occasions. So that's what I'll be featuring this week on my blog, which is ferriscraftlayer.blogspot.com, and all of my measurements are listed there as well. So if you're interested in anything, please, drop me a note or a message. I'm also on Ferris Craft Layer at Facebook. So thank you so much for joining me. Bye.